Welcome fellas, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing a 5.5 drop on the truck. Basically, I got a flip kit that's a 6-inch drop, but I got a shackle that is a 1-inch raise. I really want the truck leveled out. I hate squatted trucks. I hate when people add coilovers to their cars in the rear. It's tucking tire and the front of the tire is just about to tuck. You know, it's just ugly to me. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 600 subs. Once I hit 600 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a 550-piece Starlight kit giveaway. So hit that subscribe button, fellas, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace. So I'm gonna go pick up some wheels for my cousin. It's gonna be the same exact wheels, just that the rears are gonna be skinnier because mine do poke out, and if I lower the truck, obviously I won't be able to lower it. So I'm gonna just show you guys what the truck is looking like as of right now. I have not done anything to it. This is how I got it. I don't know if the previous owner lowered it or did something, because it is lowered compared to every other single OBS that is stock. So this is what I'm talking about. It only sticks out like an inch or two or inch and a half, but obviously I'm gonna be tucking tire. As of right now, it is like 4.5 or yeah, 4.5 fingers, and on the front it's like 5 or 5.5. So we're gonna be dropping it. My goal is to tuck just the top of the tire and have this evened out. So you guys saw in the last clip, I got the wrong spindle, but I got the new ones now. I did not record that, so I installed the new spindle, new rotors, and the calipers, also new brake pads. That's it for the front. So as you can see, maybe it is dropped from the front. It's been slanted, but it doesn't look too bad just because the rear of my truck was already kind of like lowered somehow. But I'm gonna go ahead and drop it more, so let's go ahead and get started. I ran into an issue. Whoever worked on this truck, they put the bolt in backwards. Like, it's supposed to come out from this way, but it's coming out this way. So now I have to remove this whole bracket. I have to take off 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I could take off the bolt holding the leaf. And then yeah, this is why I hate working on cars. I couldn't take that damn leaf spring off. Still stuck there, but I'm gonna just put the wheel back on, just in case the truck falls or something, you know? It'll fall on the wheel. Y'all wanna know how bad I've been slacking? So, I haven't picked up the camera to record a video on the truck in like 3 months. I started dropping the truck on November 8th. So the last clip you guys saw, it was around November something, and it is February 4th, bro. I've been slacking. Let's see if I could finish up this flip kit on the rear. Hopefully I'm able to get the bolt that's stuck. Look what I just got out. One bolt. And guess what, bro? The other one just got loose. So I'm sorry on this part of the video. Quality is gonna be a bit ass. 2026, I'm gonna be working on that. I will not record if I don't have great lighting, but this is gonna be the last video since I did record this like 2025, but it is what it is. It was this bolt right here that was stuck and crooked. I am hoping it did not strip. But this is the reason my leaf spring was stuck, because this bolt right here, it was in crooked like this, and it was getting held on to the frame. So I ran into an issue, and I just ordered brand new brackets. Hopefully it does something and I'm able to finish. So here's the new ones. Those are the Veltec ones right there. I'm gonna remove those, swap them out with this, but I won't record that just to make the video quicker. I just wanted to add this in the video so you guys know what I go through, because I've been working on this for like probably like 2 days now. I thought I did all this for nothing, but guess what? Ooh, it just got lower, bro. Thank God. So I was looking, and look, it looks a lot lower. This is what happened. I dropped the truck and I was looking at it for a while. I'm like, this kind of looks the same. And then I measure it with my hands, and tell me why it was lower on the other side, the original, you know, drop kit it had. And then I start bouncing on the truck and it just dropped. It's 2 fingers, and this side is 4, and the front